Imagine waking up one morning and realizing the stock you ignored last year just doubled. Not because of hype, not because of memes, but because artificial intelligence quietly changed everything. While most people are still arguing about whether AI is a bubble, smart money is already positioning itself. And today, I'm going to show you the 5 US stocks that artificial intelligence is most bullish on. The same names quietly powering the future of money, technology, and global dominance. Before we dive in, this video might change how you see investing forever. So if you want to stay ahead of Wall Street, not behind it, make sure you subscribe right now, because this channel breaks down complex money moves into simple, powerful insights that actually make sense. Now let's talk about something most people don't realize. AI isn't a trend. It's not a phase. It's not like crypto hype or meme stocks. AI is infrastructure. Just like electricity in the 1900s or the internet in the 1990s. Artificial intelligence is becoming the foundation of everything. Business, defense, healthcare, finance, and even creativity itself. And when a new foundation is built, a few companies always rise to the top. The first stock AI is extremely bullish on is NVIDIA. NVIDIA isn't just a chip company anymore. It's the backbone of the entire AI revolution. Every major AI model, from ChatGPT to self-driving systems, relies on NVIDIA's GPUs. These chips are the engines that train and run artificial intelligence, and right now, no one comes close to competing at their level. What makes NVIDIA dangerous and a good way for investors is that it's not just selling hardware. It controls the ecosystem. Software, architecture, developer tools, AI frameworks, all of it locks companies into NVIDIA's world. Once a company builds on NVIDIA, switching becomes expensive and risky. That's why companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Meta, and even governments are lining up to buy their chips. Demand is so strong that supply can't keep up. That kind of imbalance is rare, and Wall Street loves it. But here's the key part. NVIDIA isn't slowing down. They're moving into AI factories, robotics, autonomous systems, and even digital twins for cities and industries. This isn't just growth, it's dominance. Now let's move to the second stock AI is extremely bullish on, Microsoft. Microsoft quietly became one of the most powerful AI companies on Earth. While people were focused on flashy startups, Microsoft built infrastructure, cloud enterprise software, global distribution. Their partnership with OpenAI completely changed the game. Think about it. Microsoft didn't just invest in AI, they embedded it everywhere. Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, Azure, Windows AI is now baked into daily work for millions of professionals. This creates something very few companies have: sticky users and recurring revenue powered by intelligence. AI copilots are turning employees into productivity machines. Businesses aren't asking if they should adopt AI anymore. They're re-asking how fast they can deploy it. And Microsoft is the easiest answer. On top of that, Azure is becoming the backbone for enterprise AI computing. As AI workloads increase, cloud spending increases, and Microsoft collects the check. This is why analysts keep calling Microsoft a safe AI bet. It has innovation, stability, cash flow, and scale, a rare combination. Now let's talk about a company people underestimate far too often, Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Many people think Google missed the AI wave. That couldn't be further from the truth. Google has been building AI for over a decade. In fact, many of the core technologies behind modern AI were invented inside Google. They just didn't market it loudly. Now, things are changing. Google's Gemini AI is being integrated across Search, YouTube, Android, Gmail, and Google Cloud. That's billions of users interacting with AI every single day, whether they realize it or not. Here's the key advantage: data. Google has more real-world data than almost any company on Earth. Search queries, maps, emails, videos, browsing behavior, all anonymized but incredibly powerful for training AI systems. And when AI becomes smarter, more personalized, and more helpful, user engagement increases. More engagement means more ad revenue. More ad revenue means stronger earnings. Google isn't chasing AI trends. It's absorbing AI into everything it already dominates. Next, we move to a company most casual investors overlook: Broadcom. Broadcom doesn't make flashy headlines, but it powers the digital world behind the scenes. This company builds critical infrastructure, networking chips, data center components, and semiconductor solutions that make AI possible at scale. Without Broadcom, massive AI data centers simply wouldn't function efficiently. As AI models get larger, they need faster communication between chips and servers. That's where Broadcom shines. Their technology connects everything together, fast, stable, and scalable. Cloud providers and hyperscalers rely heavily on Broadcom solutions. And as AI workloads explode, demand for this infrastructure keeps rising. What makes Broadcom special is consistency, strong cash flow, strategic acquisitions, long-term contracts. This is the kind of stock institutions love because it grows quietly but powerfully. Finally, let's talk about the wild card, Palantir. Palantir is where AI meets real-world decision-making. This company doesn't just analyze data. It helps governments, militaries, corporations make decisions using AI. From national security to supply chains to healthcare, Palantir turns raw data into actionable intelligence. Their AI platform AIP allows organizations to deploy AI safely, securely, and in real time. That's a massive advantage in a world where data privacy and control matter more than ever. What's interesting about Palantir is that it benefits from both government and commercial growth. Defense contracts provide stability, while enterprise adoption fuels expansion. As AI becomes more operational, not just experimental, companies need systems that actually work in the real world. Palantir is built exactly for that. Now here's the bigger picture most people miss. AI isn't replacing jobs overnight. It's reshaping productivity. And companies that control data, compute, and intelligence will dominate the next decade. The 5 stocks we just covered aren't hype plays. They're infrastructure plays. They sit at the center of the AI economy, powering everything from search engines to self-driving systems, from cloud computing to national defense. And here's the truth most people don't want to hear. By the time AI becomes obvious, the biggest gains are already gone. That's why long-term investors pay attention early. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people watching YouTube right now. And if you want more breakdowns like this, real analysis, no noise, no fake hype, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, because the future isn't coming. It's already here, and it's powered by AI.